insurance, importance of insurance, insurance penetration, how far it is coming, type of product, and some of the opinions that have come. I thought probably I will refer to it during my speech because insurance, as you know, it was state monopoly till 2000. IRDA came into existence. For life insurance, there was Life Insurance Corporation of India, which was established in 1956. And in non-life, there were 4 companies, and a reinsurance company, 5 companies. Apart from, of course, Agriculture Insurance Corporation, which was established in 1975 by nationalizing all the existing companies. This was the scenario which was there till IRDA bill came into existence. In the Parliament passed the bill. Of course, still Parliament is debating 26 to 49, that you know, and when the 26 will become 49 or 49 will become something else, it's anybody's guess. It came as 26 and it is happening there. Since, so what I want to say is insurance is not a new industry for India. It is an old industry. Only thing is the cycle has become complete. Once it was private companies, it was nationalized, and thereafter sector was opened up. But none of the companies were privatized. Neither Life Insurance Corporation or any of the national in India and all those things, none of them are privatized. They are in the government sector. Today, we have a scenario. Government sector companies and private sector companies are competing for the insurance market. Since the opening up of the sector, several changes have taken place. And the sector has also grown tremendously well. For example, when the economists talk about the insurance penetration, there was a discussion on that. Penetration, what is talked about is percentage of premium to gross domestic product, GDP. This is called insurance penetration. Whether it is the right measure or wrong measure or inadequate measure, that's another question. But this is the universally accepted definition for insurance penetration. Why I feel it is inadequate measure, I will come separately. But let me tell you, with the start of this one, in 2000, it was something like 2.72%. When 2013 ended, just 13 years, it doubled. It's not exactly double, 3.84%. It went up to 4%, slightly came down, 3.83%. It's a great achievement for any sector to be opened up. Of course, LIC can take a definite pride on that, because not because I was LIC chairman for 5 years when the sector was opened up from 2006, when it was competition was very, very tight. Still, I feel I can be proud of my old organization, because in India, several sectors were opened up. If you look at that way, airlines was opened up. There was Indian Airlines monopoly, and you got, now I don't know how many are there. Maybe Jet is there, may Go Air, falana. All these things are there. Telecommunication was government monopoly. Only BSNL and VSNL was there. It was opened up. MTNL also. Telecom. It was opened up. You have Airtel, Videocon, not Videocon, something else. So, Vodafone, and all those companies are there. You look at any of the sector,